Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your girl Mary, back with another interesting video. Kindly, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, and do not forget to leave a comment on what you think about our today's video. So basically, as you can see, I am on my way to somewhere, and guess what? I am on my way to Njoro Canning Factory, and today I decided to go for out baking, and it was also kind of a training where some of the bakers in Nakuru had gathered for the training and even for the out baking. And unfortunately, I was a little bit late, but I managed to learn a lot. So basically, what happened this day, actually, this is something that I have always wanted to experience. I am a baker, and I've always wanted to experience like out baking and even this kind of trainings. So I was so much excited, by the way, to get a chance to join this team, even though we were different bakers. And at least I got a chance to learn different recipes, different products that were displayed in this session, how to even decorate a cake in different ways. They really the team members that you can see there really explained to us things that us as bakers did not even know. So at this moment, the team was showing us how to decorate with some of the products that they had shown us and how exactly you're supposed to do it, because not everyone understands when you're just being taught by words but not seeing like the actual actions. So we had even to bake the cakes using the recipes that they had shown us and decorated with their products. So basically, the session was about 3 to 4 hours, and it was very informative. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.